As a business owner, you may have faced the challenge of getting your roof repaired or replaced within a tight timeline. At Seacoast Building and Design, we understand the importance of meeting critical deadlines for our clients. Our thermal imaging drone observation revealed pooling water and clogged gutters. Upon removing the single-ply membrane, we found that the ISO board was buckling due to the pooling water and missing plates and screws from the original installation. Single-ply membranes often present a common problem, but the solution is straightforward: using more plates and screws or fully adhering the insulation board to the roof decking. For this project, we installed a TPO, short for thermoplastic polyolefin, which is a single-ply membrane, a recyclable synthetic rubber made from a blend of polypropylene and ethylene propylene rubber. The single-ply membrane is renowned for its exceptional durability, providing business owners with the peace of mind they seek when replacing their roofs. Our TPO roofing installation comes with a premium 20-year labor and material warranty, ensuring that if any issues arise, the business owner will not be responsible for any associated expenses. TPO roofing systems are a popular choice for commercial buildings in Florida due to their highly reflective white surface, which helps reduce energy costs by deflecting solar radiation and minimizing heat absorption. This composition makes the interior spaces much more comfortable during the hot summer months. TPO is a UV-resistant and flexible material, making it well-suited for expansion and contraction. These properties make it an ideal choice for Florida's extremely hot temperature fluctuations, as it can prevent cracking and other damage. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.